Hi, and welcome to the course. In this introduction, I want to give you a short overview of what you will learn throughout the program. You see, this is not your typical course on health and dieting. As you probably know, health is a huge subject, and there are hundreds, if not thousands, of books, courses, and gurus out there promising to help you become healthier, lose weight, and feel more energized. Unfortunately, you probably also know from experience that most of them never deliver on their promises and aren't worth their price tag. This course is not like that. Instead of selling you some fad diet or telling you to eat this and not that, we will go over the science behind being healthy and feeling great. The course is divided into three main parts, each dedicated to one of the three main pillars of health: your diet, your exercise, and your mindset. The first part will talk about the fundamentals of healthy dieting. I will teach you what the simplest weight loss diet looks like that always works, how to build a healthy relationship with food, what the most important aspects of your meal plan are, and I will also answer common questions like how to avoid weight gain over the holidays or how to read a nutrition label correctly. At the end, you will have a complete picture of what the perfect healthy diet should look like. The second part is dedicated to everything related to workouts and exercise. Here, I will show you exactly what makes up a complete workout plan, including cardio and resistance training. We will go into quite a bit of detail in this section, and things you will learn include how to use scientifically proven strategies to motivate yourself to exercise more, how you should train on your first day at the gym to avoid the most common beginner mistakes, cardio versus weight training, which is better for weight loss, how to measure your heart rate during your workout, and the right types of exercise for a stronger heart and stronger bones. Part 3 is all about the right mindset. Having a strong mindset is super important for your mental health and will directly translate to your fitness. This part can literally be life-changing. The true battles we face in life are always against ourselves and not against others. And if you know how your mind and therefore your body works, you can achieve a lot. So in this section, we will cover things like how to master willpower, 5 steps to long-term improvements in your mindset, how to set SMART goals, how to track your progress correctly, and how to use visualization techniques for more motivation. As you can see, we have a lot to cover, so let's get started.